Hi, good day to all employer in Hong Kong. Have a nice day, Madam and Sir. My name is Lisel Baruela. I am 37 years old. I am married, a mother to two loving kids. The age of my children, 15 years old boy, the girls is 10 years old. I'm high school graduate from Philippines. I am eldest of four siblings. I know also how to take care of a newborn baby because I raised my own child until he grew up. I am the one who take good care of my own child. In 2017 to 2019, I applying in Saudi Arabia for taking care of newborn baby and toddlers. My both employer is working every day. They have four children. The age is newborn baby, 6 months old, 5 years old, 8 and 12 years old. My priority, a 6 months old baby. Before she wake up, I preparing a milk. I sterilize the bottle before I give 2-3 hours changing diaper. I put him a nice sleep. When she wake up, I take him a bath. If the baby is not feeling well, I will tell immediately to my employer. If the baby is asleep, I'll do household chores like ironing, laundry, and cooking. The other children, madam, I will help to do homework and assignment. I will love to to educate a moral of values, how to respect everyone, how to be a responsible children. Sometimes we go outside, we go to the mall and park, but I priority the safety of the children. Before I came back, I applied in Dubai in 2021 to 2023. I finished my contract for 2 years and 3 months. My both employer is working every day. They have three children. The age is 4 years old, 8 years old, and 10 years old. Before she wake up, I preparing a healthy food. If she wake up, I feed them, changing clothes. I take him a bath, put him a nice sleep. If the baby is asleep, I'll do household chores like ironing, laundry, and cooking. To my future employer, if you hired me, I will help to take care of your child. I am energetic, responsible, trustworthy, a loving nanny. If you hired me, I will love your child as my own. Thank you and God bless.